a percentage that high. I said, well, me either. And you're the medical doctor. I just see all the products that come through. 250%.
250%.
Wow. Okay, so we will have a
Big
full
deal.
presentation on that.
Yes.
But before we move there, we're going to lipid infusion
Yes.
here and a treatment mask. So if you are looking to plump, perhaps.
Plump.
If you're looking to have younger looking skin, this is a great duo for you. As you can see on your screen there, only day at this price. Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Right here, this is the Essential Lipid Power Infusion Serum. And next to that, Essential Lipid Infusion Treatment Mask. Now, this is the combination for you if you have aging skin, right?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Probably not for the 18-year-old.
No, not
No?
not for the 25-year-old.
Not
either.
for the 25-year-old.
But anybody who is beginning to see lines and there's a discomfort to the skin, you smile and you feel like your skin is pulling and there's something struggling with the lack of hydration, lack of moisture in your skin. This is the ultimate answer, truly the ultimate
So,
answer.
Dr. Denese, it's the only day at this price.
Yes,
This
really.
is valued at $108, but today $83.50, and today only,
Yes.
right? Okay, 4 easy payments of $20.88, and auto delivery is available. That's how you
Yes.
make it not the only day at this price.
Exactly.
Right?
That's
Okay.
really important. If you have a chance to go on auto delivery, please do so because
Yes.
we are running out of the masks actually. So
Oh.
so it's you better lock it in. Okay?
You
Just
better lock it
little
in.
insider information here. Okay.
I love it. That's why we come to Beauty IQ.
Yes,
we want
exactly.
we want that insider info. Okay, so let's start with the serum here. What is this
Yes.
addressing?
Oh wow, this is such a fascinating product. My Essential Lipid Power Infusion. It is 100% natural, 97% organic, extraordinary combination of 14 lipids. 14 lipids. In most cases, what happens is that dry oils in the marketplace are based on 1 or 2 ingredients. I said that's just not good enough because one product, one ingredient just cannot have it all. So I went out and collected all the most important dry oils in the marketplace and combined them all because one brings this, another brings something else. Phytonutrients, bioflavonoids, multiple vitamins. Each contributes in its own way. Now, this is also very different from a regular dry oil in that it doesn't just sit on the skin. This is an infusion, girls. Very shortly, a few minutes later, it actually infuses into your skin. Instead of just
heavenly.
sitting there, it truly is heavenly, and it is so good for you. 100% natural.
Dr.
It is-
Denise,
Yes.
because this is a serum,
Yes.
is this going on before our creams, or because it's a dry oil serum, is it going after our
I would
night
say
cream?
before. I
Before.
think definitely before.
Probably
And
because the skin drinks it in.
drinks it in,
Okay.
yes. So let's just have it unimpeded, communicating with your skin and delivering these fabulous ingredients. There's a whole list of them
Okay.
that I will tell you in a few minutes' time. But let's talk about the mask. Now, this mask is very special. And you really, if you are on the young side, don't worry, it's not for you yet. But if you feel the need, if you have dry skin, you're struggling with lines that are coming in, dry lines and wrinkles that are coming in, and the skin feels parched and just kind of struggling for life and looks kind of lifeless and dull, this is it. This truly is it.
Look how decadent this is. Look how rich this is.
You don't even know how
Oh,
rich.
it's so beautiful.
It looks like gold, and there's a reason for it. It is actually, there is colloidal gold
There is
inside the jar. And then the consistency of honey, and there's a reason for that too. There is a lot of honey in there. Honey is the ultimate hydrator.
Now, Dr. Denise,
yes.
when are we using this and how long do we keep it on?
Okay, so whenever you feel the need that, okay, first place, if you want to look really great, if you have a date, if you have a job interview, go to church, meet the mother-in-law, that's when you put it on. If you want to look plump and soft and supple and particularly line-free that day, this is what you put on, okay?
Line-free that day?
The
Ooh,
line-free
I like
that
that.
day.
I like that.
Within obviously, within limits, but it's going to be vastly better. So put it on and just kind of sit back for about 10 minutes, let it permeate, and then just wipe it off. Don't wash it off, wipe it off. Let these incredibly rich ingredients work in there. The colloidal gold and the honey, which is the ultimate hydrator, the hyaluronic acid. Then I have all the lipids in here as well. So I have the organic amaranth and organic avocado oil and organic argan oil and organic macadamia oil and mulacana oil and organic rosehip oil, rich natural ingredients that are inherently good for your skin. And the good news is 183% increase in hydration in after 20 minutes time. This is based on the lipid, and there it is.
Okay, so this was an actual test.
Actual physical test with a novometer instrument, and it shows 183% increase after 20 minutes of sitting with this mask. And what does that mean to your skin? Plumpness. Vast improvement in the look of lines, soft, supple skin that feels alive and feels younger and looks younger and feels more elastic, and the texture is better. All these changes as a result of a 183% increase in hydration and moisturization.
Your item
That's
number
a
on
big
this,
deal.
a
Yes.
341985. We're watching as Anna's applying this.
Yes.
You would obviously apply this onto clean, dry
Yes,
skin.
clean, dry skin,
Okay.
and apply it generously, even a little bit more, but I know she's layering it very smartly. And it's going to be a little shiny, and don't worry about it. This is the nature of it. And just let it be for about however much time you have, really. 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, even 5 minutes will make a very big difference. And just indulge, and you are coming out at the other end so
Dr.
much more
Denese,
pretty.
When we
honey.
remove this,
Yes.
are we simply removing with a dry towel?
With a dry towel,
Okay.
here it is.
Because you want to pat in the remainder,
Exactly.
right?
Don't wash it off. There's no reason. Just wipe it off, and whatever makeup residue you had in there is gone also. And then the suppleness is amazing.
Look at that.
And the lack of the appearance
And that
of
wasn't
line.
even the full 20 minutes.
It was not.
Wow.
And yet, the colloidal gold does it, and then the honey, which is the ultimate hydrator, and hyaluronic acid, and all these precious lipids, the amaranth, avocado, argan oil, coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, squalene, which is a naturally occurring lipid of youth. It's all in there.
Fantastic. All right,
Fantastic.
the value on this one, incredible, like the entire show. $108 in value. Only day this month that you're going to see it at this price that you're seeing on your screen right now. A 341985 is the item number. 4 easy payments of $20.88. And might I also remind you, you're getting 2 full ounces of the serum, and you're getting 3.4 ounces here of the treatment mask. A lot of our beauties that are watching right now on Facebook are saying that they are using their mask as they're watching this presentation.
Yes, love it, love it. Tell us
let
about.
us know. You're going to have in 20 minutes. Let us know what's going on. And also, if you want to join us on the Beauty IQ Facebook chat, we love having you here. We love answering your questions. The doctor is in the building, so it's a good time to ask her some questions.
Please
She
do.
says she's putting her best face forward and her best foot forward for this show. So we definitely want to take advantage of that knowledge. All you do is you visit us on Beauty IQ's Facebook page, and then scroll down when you see the live stream right there in that comment section. You can write any comments or come in and ask questions. May we circle back to the serum?
I would love
I know we
to.
want to talk a
Yes.
little bit more about results with this serum.
Yes, we have
Okay.
some really good befores and afters just based on the serum by itself. And look at that. Now, have you ever seen a lipid, just a plain dry oil, delivering these kinds of results? Look at that. On the before, she has some serious lines under the eyes. Remember, the skin looks that it's struggling. There are dry lines developing. On the after, there is a plumpness to the skin. There's a soft, supple, there's youth to that skin, really, elasticity. The tone is different, the texture is different, underneath the eye especially, and even the crow's feet, so much better and so much younger. This is 6 weeks after using this infusion. And remember, this is an infusion, not just a dry oil that sits on top. No, it actually infuses. And look at that, on the before, under the eyes, you have some serious lines in there, those cross-hatched lines that we are all so much afraid of. And look at on the after. There is plumpness, elasticity to the skin. The lines appear to be much more soft and much more supple. The texture is different. There is a youth to that skin that really wasn't there, and elasticity to the skin that there wasn't there.
Well, and I appreciate so much that you're showing these results in one of the most delicate parts of the body, right underneath that eye area.
Under the eyes.
So that's saying, of course, that we can bring this all the way up to the eye area, and of course, we would do neck and décolleté as well, backs of hands.
Why not?
Well, here's the thing: you're getting 2 ounces too. Most serums come in a ½ ounce or even 1 ounce, right? This comes in 2 ounces, and you're getting 3.4 ounces of the mask as well. So together, a beautiful configuration that's also a new duo. And you were saying that this is getting hard to find as well. So go ahead and get home this configuration. It's $108 if you were to pick these items up separately. Today, you're getting this home for $83.50 or 4 easy payments, $8341985. Now, would this go beautifully with the Beauty IQ Steel?
Oh yes, definitely.
Okay.
Definitely.
How would we incorporate this if we picked up the Steel?
It's very, very easy.
Okay.
You could use my lipid serum every day, every night, before your cream. After the pads comes this one, and then eat either the Dream Cream or whatever cream you have. But if you have the Dream Cream at night, it would be perfect. And then then on a few days a week, when your skin feels like it's struggling and it feels particularly dry and you don't like the lines anymore, the foundation doesn't go on properly, then let's indulge ourselves with the mask. Because remember, 184% increase in moisture level in your skin within a few minutes after you apply. That is very significant, and that translates into visible changes in your skin.
Fantastic. Okay, we did have a question in the Facebook chat from Christina. She's wondering if this will help with darkness underneath her eyes.
Well, that's a good question. I would say no, because, but I do have eye creams which contain ingredients that are able to address darkness. This is predominantly lines and wrinkles and lack of elasticity, lack of plumpness, which is also a very important consideration as we grow older.
Well, I appreciate that answer.
Yes.
Very much so. I always think we need to know which products do what and what we want in our arsenal. So I do appreciate that very much. 2 full ounces of that Lipid Infusion serum, and then you are getting the Lipid Infusion treatment mask as well. This is so decadent, so rich,
so delicious,
so beautiful. How
really
many times
rich.
a week are we using that mask?
Well, it's really all up to you.
As
if
needed?
you are very as needed, if you are very dry, then use it often.
Okay.
If you are not so dry, or during the summertime, probably a little less. But it is a very important thing to have, because there are days when you look in the mirror and you just say to yourself, I don't like what I see.
Yeah.
And this is the time when you put this on.
It's just not working
Just
today.
not working
well,
today,
give yourself 20 minutes and it might just be working today.
Oh, yes.
A 341-985. Some of our beauties in the Facebook chat were saying, we've been asking for this duo.
Yes,
so
terrific.
thank you, Dr. D. We're so excited to have this here. And remember, only day this month on this incredible value, and you've got that 4 easy payments. So do some shopping. Head to beautyiq.com. Also, give us a call, 800-600-3144. That is our phone number. You are more than welcome to call us 24/7. Still coming up in the show, this is an incredible trio that's all super size.